Assalamualaikum. Today I am going to tell you how to schedule a Zoom meeting. Click on schedule. Now set timings according to your session. Change password. At last, click on done. Now copy your meeting invitation. Now I am telling you how to share your screen. Click on share, then click on screen. At this time, Zoom need an access in your phone. So turn on access for Zoom. You are going to show a video, so don't forget to open this option, share audio on. Here you can easily show video from your gallery.
Students, I hope you all are fine. Students, we have learnt about different systems of human.
And you can also share video from YouTube. Assalamualaikum friends, today we are going to make catching game. Open Google and type scratch. Thank you.